Okay, thanks for joining me again today on my channel. My name is Dr. FM. I'm a business coach and a financial consultant. I always bring your way business tips. I always bring your way business coaches that can enhance your ability to make money. My focus always is to give people a better life. My focus always is to make sure that people are doing well. That's my focus. So if you are joining me for the first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube. Make sure you on the notification button. Make sure you follow me on my Facebook. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, and on LinkedIn. I'm all in all the social media handles. Follow me and you always see my content every time I bring them your way. Okay, thanks for joining me. If you are new, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube that can actually benefit you. This video ranges from business, from finance, from motivation, from gospel, from leadership. I have diverse video there that can enhance your capacity, that can make you to actually have a guide of moving forward in life. Okay, today that you have joined me, let me bring us this powerful topic that I know will be beneficial to you. I know will be good to you. And is what I title How to Make Dollars Creating Content. How to Make Dollars Creating Content. Okay, if you are looking for a side hustle, if you are looking for another way of making extra income, is for you to learn how to create content online. Content creation has come to start to be one of the biggest and one of the most lucrative side skill that you can actually have, that can boost your income, that can give you extra income. Okay, I'm happy to announce to us that all our social media digital channels, the YouTube, the LinkedIn, the Twitter, the Facebook, the WhatsApp, the Instagram, all of them are digital channels that the founders have founded, and this channel need content to move on. It is the content that is displayed that makes followers to follow up with these digital channels. The founders, as it were, don't have content themselves. They have made the platform, they have provided the platform, but it's content that drives these digital channels. And you agree with me that a lot of them are foreign based. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, links, all of them are foreign based. And for content creators, the moment you continue creating content that people want to see, that people want to hear, you keep earning money, you keep making money creating content online. And you also agree with me that when you own your digital channels every day, what people want to see is to view the content that is being displayed in these digital channels. Even when you are not commenting, even when you are not liking, but you want to get through to the content. So if there were no content, these digital channels, this social media platform will not be functional, will not be visible to the whole world. It is only content that make them visible. Okay, so content creation is a powerful skill that can enhance your income, that can give you a side hustle. Apart from whatever that you are doing, it can actually boost your income. Okay, by way of definition, content creation is a process of identifying the need of the people, the need of the moment, turning them into material, into media information that will be prepared for digital medias, that will be prepared for social medias. These are material prepared that gives information for viewers, that gives information for followers. You must be ready to identify the need of people, what is in vogue, what is reigning, what people need to hear. Information about education, about culture, about tradition, about movie, about religion, about gospel, about leadership. A diverse view that people are interested in seeing. Okay, it is when you create material and is placed on this channel that you have seen to be a content creator. And like I said, all these channels, digital channels that you know of, all of them, YouTube, Facebook, all the videos on YouTube are created by people. All the information on Facebook are created by people. All information circulating through WhatsApp are created by people. All information on Twitter are created by people. The news you hear on Twitter is created by people. Now, don't be surprised that people actually earn cool dollars creating content on this platform. So I bring your way today that you can actually develop your skill. You can, if you are good in communication skill, if you are good in writing, if you are good in speaking, if you are good in acting, you can actually create content that people want to see. If you watch all through social media, if you watch through YouTube, you see so many comedy skits, you see so many gospel teaching, you see so many other informations. These are information prepared, packaged by people like me and you. And the truth is, people are actually making money out of content creation. Okay, if you are just joining me, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube. Make sure you on the notification button so that every time I send my video, you always get notified. You can also follow me on Facebook. You can also follow me on Instagram, on LinkedIn, on Twitter, every time, so that you will be viewing my content every time I bring them your way. Okay, let me start by telling you that for you to be a sound content creator, you must be consistent. Consistency is key. You must keep creating content until your content is beginning to be acceptable by people. You must be consistent always, because you have taken it as a side also, you have taken it as a work, you have taken it as a way of generating extra income. And again, after being consistent, you must be ready to engage. Your content must be a content that will engage people. Your content is a content that will lead people to comment, that will make people to be engaged, that will make people to look forward for your next content. So your content must be a content that is ready to engage with people. And number three, again, your content must be current, must be the reigning idea that people actually want. It must be a current information. People are moving ahead. We are in a digital age, so people want content that can actually move ahead, that is new, is not old. And again, you must be available. Availability is key. When you create content, when you are consistent and you are ready to engage with people, you must be available for the engagement. People want to see you, people want to feel you, people want to comment on your content, people want to send you DMs, people want to chat with you. So you must be available, because you are now a content creator and you can actually be engaged to write content, to produce content for organization, for people. Okay, that is why if you watch most of the social media platform, you see celebrities, they are consistent in posting whatever they are posting, and they like to engage people. That's why they have a lot of followers. That is why they have gathered multitude on their platform. And that's why it's easy for them to advertise, it's easy for them to promote, because they have gotten to that level by the content they have been displaying on their platform. So it's important for these 5 qualities that I mentioned, that you must be consistent, you must be ready to engage with people, you must be current, you must be available, and you also diversify. You don't create content on a particular topic. You can keep creating content on diverse topic, because the world is dynamic. You also must be dynamic. Okay, these are examples of areas in which you can actually learn how to create content on. Number 1, on cartoon. You see, our children, even adults, now are watching cartoons. So learn how to create content on cartoons. Learn how to create content. Number 2, on comedy. Comedy, I bet you comedy is giving money like no man's business. 3 minutes, 4 minutes content on comedy, on YouTube, on social media, has proven to give a lot of people money. Number 3, visuals, pictures, that's images. Just create images, just create visual for people to see, and that also give money. Then we have content on statistics, informations online. We have content on survey. There are some sites that need your survey, that need you to answer some questions, that need you to answer some to write some reports. Okay, we have quotes, leadership quotes, money management quotes, a lot of content in this area. People want to hear them, people want to see them every day. People can follow you online because of some of your quotes. And we have videos and editing. These are content. A lot of people, even skits, comedy skits and other gospel messages, video editors are needed to make sure to package it well. So it's also a way of creating content. We have audios and voice messages. A lot of people are done. A lot of people are into Google Voice. A lot of people are into audio content producing. So it's a way of also giving money. We have writing of articles. Writing of article has come, whether you are writing on physical newspaper, on online newspaper, online website. It has proven to give a lot of people money every time. So content creation has come to stay. It gives you extra income. It gives you extra dollar. Why I mentioned dollar is all our social media platforms, they pay in dollars. They don't pay in our local currency. They pay in dollar. YouTube, the moment YouTube accounts are monetized, Facebook account are monetized, Instagram, you start earning money. But you must learn how to create content. Either you are creating on yourself, on your own platform, or you are creating it for people. We have people now that are social media managers. Their work is to enhance and repackage those social media angles and create content for people to view. So I leave you today that you can actually earn extra income in dollars by creating content. That skill, that writing skill, that communication skill that you have, that report writing skill, that article writing skill, you can actually turn them to content creation. Make sure you make your social media account robust. Make sure you are visible. It helps you in advertisement. You can see now people have turned their WhatsApp into business account, into advertisement hub, because a lot of people come onto your platform to view your status, and people are actually advertising. If you don't have good content on those status, people will not view. So people are actually waking up in the morning, opening their social media accounts to view content. To people, they want to see what people are posting. They want to hear what people are posting. They want to read what people are posting. So it is a way that can transform and earn. A lot of people are earning money through YouTube. A lot of people are earning money through Facebook. A lot of people are earning money on Instagram. A lot of people are earning money on LinkedIn, on Twitter. Why don't you join those people that earn this money? And remember, like I said, these people earn this money in hard currency, in dollar. Is a way of having side also. Just wake up in the morning, write content, act content, play content, do something that you feel that is of the moment, that you feel that is current, that people will like to hear, that people will like to read, and before you know it, you turn to a celebrity, and before you know it, you earn hard currency. Thank you. I will stop here again so that you join me in my next video. I will bring another further explanation of content creation to us and other ways of earning money on our side also. Again, my name is Dr. FM. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also remember to on the notification button. Also follow me on my Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, on LinkedIn. I always bring your way money tips, financial tips, business tips that will enhance and guide your journey to success in life. Thank you again. See you in my next video. Thank you so much.